just turned around, they've gone away. I've been sifting through the lands with dusty books and faded papers. They tell a story I used to know. It was one that happened so long ago. It's gone away yesterday. Now I find myself on the mountainside, where the rivers change direction across the great divide. Well, I heard the owl calling so softly as the night was falling, with a question and I replied, but he's gone across the borderline. He's gone away yesterday. When I find myself on the mountainside, where the rivers change directions across the great divide. It's gone away yesterday, and I find myself on the mountainside, where the rivers change direction across the great divide. One more time. It's gone away yesterday. Now I find myself on the mountainside, where the rivers change directions across the great divide.